I can't see out the window anymore.
We are now live in the lava bath and going through the Rainforest tunnel behind somebody else. As the brushes, can you hear the brushes? There's the brushes. And right up here, you get the brushes and the LED. Ooh, ah, pretty cool, eh? This is neat. I like it. Are you enjoying yourself? Ooh.
So, those aren't really the colors.
Yes. It's really that color. Now it's gonna blow away.
Slow down, this is too much fun.
Oh my. You're getting some Rain X. And you're getting some tire shine. Whoa.
There's a bug.
Bye, bug. See ya. We're almost done, and ta-da! Here we go.